bata ka pa, and
Ganda niyo, okay na naayusan na siya dyan.
Naayusan na ba siya doon?
Pointy na yung ilong niya dito.
show business, medyo tricky yan. When I entered show business,
Anay. Anay.
Pero paano ka nag-stay sa show business? Kung nagulat ka sa culture, industry, tsaka dun sa mga iba-ibang klaseng tao. Parang I just learned to adapt ate. Parang it's also, I can say a gift.
Anay, wait.
Parang kahit saan mo kalagay, I can adapt. Parang in any situation, sa characters ng tao. Ito rin ba ng conflict?
No, call me banana split.
Pero,
No, I want to follow you forever.
hindi. Never
Wait,
ko
nanay.
na magkaroon ng conflict. I stayed true to what I feel, and nung time na I couldn't let go of any because I love both. Saan
Where's
ka
mine?
pinaka-nahirapan?
Wait, nanay.
Siguro sa
Follow
oras
me.
ng
Follow
trabaho.
me, nanay.
Actually,
Follow me.
Parang nung nag-uumpisa ako,
Follow me.
nag-ubunto pala dito. Grabe
Follow
naman.
me. I said follow me na.
Talaga sila natutulog.
Nanay, follow me.
Nagsisimula ako, sabi ko, grabe, paano? One time parang, hindi ko alam na hindi pala pwedeng mag-react. Ganyan. Sabi ko, grabe naman kayo, abusado. Kasi hindi ko ano, parang sabi ko, bata pa ako, so hindi ko alam what to expect. Sabi ko, grabe naman to, umaga na sabi ko, syempre gusto na yung matulog. Parang nagulat. Batang alam to, batang to. So, di ba nakulat tong batang to, gano'n.
Hindi na orient.
Hindi na orient.
Ang showbiz ay parang show ni Kuya Germs. Isang malaking show ni Kuya Germs. Walang tulugan.
Oo. At siguro doon ako pinaka-nahirapan. Kasi gusto ko na siya eh. Hindi ko na siya pwedeng i-let go. Naalala ko, lumipat ako sa ABS. Tapos magawa, Passion de Amor. Tapos may movie. Always Be My Maybe. First, ano ko yun? Starring, oo. Tapos may sakit si Papa. Hindi ko siya nakikita. Yun yung pinaka-greatest struggle talaga. Wala na akong mako-compare. Lagi nakakaiyak ito.
May personal na pinagdadaanan.
Oo, ate.
Pero niraratsyada yung career.
Oo, yeah. Eh, syempre, parang, doon nagsistart na stable yung career ko. Ma-launch pa lang ako eh. There was a time na parang give up sa showbiz. Kasi sabi ko, comfortable. Wala naman akong, sabi ko, my parents provide me everything. Siya, bata pa ako ate. Tapos sabi ko, parang ayoko na, hindi ko rin kaya yung pressure.
Nanay, nahulan na.
I have to risk everything for my career. I have to do it if I really want it. Nung time na yun. Kasi parang
Left
lang na-realize na, grabe, ano pala.
Wait lang tayo, nanay.
Trabaho ko kasi even though wait ng papa, kailangan ko pumunta ng work. And then I don't go home. I stay, and I don't sleep. And then I stay sa fuse. I remember sleeping in the fuse of in my dad's, I don't know, wait. Wala na akong sleep. Doon yung pinaka-nahirapan. Naging happy naman ako sa ginagawa ko eh. In-embrace ko siya. Gusto ko yung ginagawa ko. I really love it.
Hindi niya kaya ito na.
Everything that goes with it, sometimes hard to swallow. Yeah.
Paano mo hina-handle yung issues, judgments, or controversies?
People just want to
Ako lang ko lang
see
iniisip ate, the only opinion that will matter in my life and to me are from those that I love. And outside of that, hindi na yun magmamatter sa akin. Kasi sino ba sila in my life? And like, it wonders me, like, how are people so interested with other people's lives? Yet, hindi nga nila alam paano ayusin yung sarili nila.
I'm just gonna use the spicy toothbrush.
To judge me. Though a lot of people, since we're in this industry, syempre,
Sibo,
I can't avoid being
oh
criticized. When I
no!
was younger, meron.
Is this okay?
Pero like, when I was growing up, and
That's
parang I learned to accept na parang this is part of my job. And nasa sa akin mo kung magpapa-apekto ako as long as I have my family with me, it's always supports me. Eh, ito ang mga tao na sobrang close sa akin, hindi ako judge kayo pa. Sino ba kayo in my life? So, wala, it never troubles me anymore.
Parang malis ka kasi.
Phone.
Usually,
Oh, ganun.
dinidikit sa'yo is when you do anything about yourself or your physical appearance.
No.
I really don't wanna mind them. Kasi if I get affected, ako naman sa akin naman ang ano nun, di ba, ang burden. Yeah, even my mom and my dad na, hindi ako, di ba, they support me. Kaya yan ang mga, kumbaga, nagtanim ng fondasyon kung bakit ako ganito. Pakailan mo ba? Parang ganun.
Gumagano ka?
Pakay mo.
2014, nagkaroon ka ng accident sa gig. Anong nangyari mo?
So, since metal band natin, there's a mic stand in front of me. Eh, syempre, headbang, ganyan. Pag headbang ko yung mic stand, sa mukha ko. Like here and sa eyes. So I got like stitch on my eyes, my eyelid, and here sa nose is open, my broken cartilage. Yeah. So I woke
Major
up.
procedure
Yeah,
artista ka pa naman.
I know, and that was like during Passion de Amor. I thought I'm gonna lose the room. After the incident, nag-look test kami. Nakatakip yung bandage kasi hindi pa pwedeng i-reconstruct eh. Kailangan kumuha pa ng cartilage siya. Kasi ano talaga, major talaga, operation. So when they were stitching me up, I woke up. Ano to? Like sinulit din natin yung ako. You're now an official rock star. How can you laugh when this matters? Like it's my face. Sabi ka, the doctor asked me, do you want us to do it now?
Not funny, ah.
When you wake up, you decide, ano gusto mo gawin. And then so when I got home, my mom and my dad was crying.
Isa lang, ah.
Talaga parang binonggo.
Ubos. Hindi pa rin ubos. Hindi niya break.
And then when I saw
Give
my
me a
mom
break.
crying, it
Sip,
broke my heart.
stop.
It's my
Sip
face.
face.
This is
Sip
my
face.
job.
O, sige, take mo to.
Ito ang puhunan.
Yeah.
Ay,
I'm
please
so
mo to.
grateful
Ito
to
to.
God kasi
Ma.
sabi ng doktor, buti hindi ka nabulag.
Ma.
Buti hindi pumasok yung
Mukha ko.
Sabi ko nga, God is really good. Sabi ko, He's really good.
And in this day and age,
Excuse me.
Sinob. Wait, nanay. Wait, nanay. Wait.
enhancing.
When I first did my surgery, it's just because
Nanay, miss
I
ka
was
ko na.
Because
Because ito na invite you, yung wall mo.
I really needed guidance during that time, and I feel like nung time na yun, for me, I just did it for myself. I wanna do it. I wanna enhance whatever it is that